So far we have seen how to test a function by using a vertical line test. Now let us discuss about the topic representation of functions. A function may be represented by a set of ordered pairs, a table form, an arrow diagram, a graphical form. Let f a tends to b be a function set of ordered pairs. The set f is equal to set of all x comma y such that y is equal to f of x comma x belongs to a. Of all ordered pairs represent a function. Table form. The values of x and the values of their respective images under f can be given in the form of a table. Arrow diagram. An arrow diagram indicates the elements of the domain of f and their respective images by means of arrows. Graph. The ordered pairs in the collection f is equal to set of all x comma y such that y is equal to f of x comma x belongs to a are plotted as points in the xy plane. The graph of f is the totality of all such points. Exercise 1.4 second sum. Let f a tends to b be a function defined by f of x is equal to x by 2 minus 1 where a is equal to set of all 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 10 comma 12. B is equal to set of all 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 9. Represent f by set of ordered pairs, a table, an arrow diagram, a graph. Here the values of a and values of b are given and the function is also given. First you have to find the values of function for each value of a. Let us take the first value of a. The first value is 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in the function. Then f of 2 is equal to 2 by 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Substitute x is equal to 4 in the function. So f of 4 is equal to 4 by 2 minus 1 equal to 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Substitute the third value. The third value is 6. Now substitute x is equal to 6 in the function. So f of 6 is equal to 6 by 2 minus 1 equal to 3 minus 1 which is equal to 2. Now substitute x is equal to 10 in the function. So f of 10 equal to 10 by 2 minus 1 equal to 5 minus 1 equal to 4. Finally, substitute the last value x is equal to 12 in the function. So f of 12 is equal to 12 by 2 minus 1 equal to 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Set of ordered pairs. Now write all the elements in the form of ordered pair. F is equal to set of all 2 comma 0 comma 4 comma 1 comma 6 comma 2 comma 10 comma 4 comma 12 comma 5. Table. Construct a table like this. In this table, write first x and then f of x. Then x values are 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 and their corresponding values are 0, 1, 2, 4, 5. Arrow diagram. Consider two sets A and B. In these two sets, copy the elements from A and copy the elements from B. In A, the elements are 2, 4, 6, 10, 12 and in B, the elements are 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 9. By using ordered pair and table, we can represent in the arrow diagram. So 2 as 0, 4 as 1, 6 as 2, 10 as 4. 12 as 6. Graph. The points are 2, 0, 4, 1, 6, 2, 10, 4 and 12, 5. First draw the horizontal and vertical line. First plot the first point 2, 0 and then plot the second point 4, 1. Plot the third point 6, 2. And the fourth point 10, 4. Finally the last point 12, 5. Now join all the points. Join all the points. Ninth sum. If the function f is defined by f of x is equal to x plus 2 if x greater than 1. 2. If minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. X minus 1. If minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. Find the value of f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, f of 2 plus f of minus 2. Consider a number line. Functions are defined by 3 parts. For a better understanding, function is defined by 3 values in the intervals 1, 2 and 3. The first interval is x greater than 1. X greater than 1 means the value of x is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. And the second interval is minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. So here x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. The third interval is minus 3 less than x less than minus 1. The third interval lies between minus 3 and minus 1. F of 3. Here given value of x is 3. So find out the interval at which the point 3 is located. Here 3 is located in the first interval. So f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now substitute x is equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 3 plus 2 which is equal to 5. Second sum. F of 0. 0 is located in the second interval. So the function is f of x is equal to 2. Now substitute x is equal to 0. So f of 0 is equal to 2. Subdivision 3. F of minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 is located in the third interval. Its function is f of x is equal to x minus 1. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1.5 in the function. So f of minus 1.5 is equal to minus 1.5 minus 1 equal to minus 2.5. Subdivision 4. F of 2 plus f of minus 2. Here two numbers are combined together. So consider the first one, f of 2. 2 is located in the first interval. Its function is f of x is equal to x plus 2. Now substitute x is equal to 2 in the function. So f of 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. F of minus 2. Minus 2 is located in the third interval. Its function is f of x is equal to x minus 1. Now substitute x is equal to minus 2. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 minus 1 which is equal to minus 3. Now add f of 2 and f of minus 2 which is equal to 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Second sum. Find the value of k such that f dot g equal to g dot f. So here conditions are given, that is f dot g equal to g dot f. But you have to find the value of k. Subdivision 1. F of x is equal to 3x plus 2, comma, g of x is equal to 6x minus k. First you have to find f dot g. F dot g is equal to f dot g of x, that is equal to f of g of x. Now substitute g of x is equal to 6x minus k. It becomes f of 6x minus k. In the function of f of x, you have to replace x by 6x minus k. Now you have 3 into 6x minus k plus 2. Now multiply the 3 inside the bracket. It becomes 18x minus 3k plus 2. So f dot g equal to 18x minus 3k plus 2. Next you have to find g dot f. G dot f is equivalent to g dot f of x, that is equal to g of f of x. Now substitute f of x is equal to 3x plus 2. It becomes g of 3x plus 2. In the function of g of x, replace x is equal to 3x plus 2. It becomes 6 into 3x plus 2 minus k. Multiply the 6 inside the bracket. So it becomes 18x plus 12 minus k. Here in the question, one condition is given, that is f dot g equal to g dot f. You have to write both the answers. So the answers are 8x minus 3k plus 2 equal to 18x plus 12 minus k. Here 18x cancelled 18x by both sides. It becomes 3k minus 3k plus 2 equal to 12 minus k. Now you bring minus k to the other side, that is left hand side. If you bring minus k to the other side, it becomes plus k. Similarly, the left hand side plus 2, you have to bring that plus 2 to the other side, it becomes negative. So you have minus 3k plus k is equal to 12 minus 2. It becomes minus 2k is equal to 10. Now bring minus 2 to other side, it becomes 10 divided by minus 2. So cancel by minus 2, then you have minus 5. So k is equal to minus 5. The value of k is equal to minus 5. Third sum. If f of x is equal to 2x minus 1, comma, g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2, show that f dot g equal to g dot f is equal to x. Here two functions are given, f of x and g of x. But you have to verify f dot g equal to g dot f is equal to x. First you have to find out f dot g. F dot g is defined by f of g of x. Now replace g of x is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So it becomes f of x plus 1 by 2. In the function of f of x, replace x is equal to x plus 1 by 2. It becomes 2 into x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Now cancel 2 and 2. So it becomes x plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Then you have x. So f dot g equal to x. Similarly, we want to prove g dot f is equal to x. So you first consider g dot f, which is equal to g of f of x. Now substitute f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So you have g into 2x minus 1. In the function of g of x, you have to replace x is equal to 2x minus 1. So it becomes 2x minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. In the numerator, plus 1 minus 1 cancelled. Now you have 2x by 2. Cancel the numerator and denominator by 2. Then you have x. G dot f is equal to x. Now you have f dot g is equal to x, g dot f is also x. So it is proved. Fourth sum, subdivision 1. F of x is equal to x square minus 1, comma, g of x is equal to x minus 2. Find a if g dot f of a is equal to 1. Here two functions are given and the condition is also given. So the two functions are f of x is equal to x square minus 1, comma, g of x is equal to x minus 2. First you have to find out g dot f of x, which is equal to g f of x. Substitute f of x is equal to x square minus 1. So it becomes g into x square minus 1. In the function of g of x, you have to replace x is equal to x square minus 1. So it becomes x square minus 1 minus 2. That is equal to x square minus 3. Now g dot f of x is equal to x square minus 3. Now substitute x is equal to a. So you have g dot f of a is equal to a square minus 3. But the condition is g dot f of a is equal to 1. Now you have to substitute g dot f of a is equal to a square minus 3. Now you have a square minus 3 is equal to 1. You bring a minus 3 to the other side, it becomes positive. So you have a square is equal to 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now taking a square root on both sides. So you have a is equal to plus or minus 2. Subdivision 2. Find k. If f of k is equal to 2k minus 1 and f dot f of k is equal to 5. Here one function is given, that is f of k is equal to 2k minus 1, and the condition is f dot f of k is equal to 5. You make use of f dot f of k is equal to 5. First you have to find out f dot f, which is equal to f dot f of k. Now substitute f of k is equal to 2k minus 1. Then you have f of 2k minus 1. In the function of f of k, you have to replace k is equal to 2k minus 1. Then you have 2 into 2k minus 1 minus 1. Multiply the 2 inside the bracket. So you have 4k minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 4k minus 3. But the condition is f dot f of k is equal to 5. Now you have to substitute f dot f of k is equal to 4k minus 3. If you substitute, you will get 4k minus 3 is equal to 5. Now you bring the 3 to other side. So it becomes positive. So 4k is equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 4k is equal to 8. Then k is equal to 2. The value of k is equal to 2. Thank you.